Hey everyone and welcome back. Wondering if Fathom AI free plan is enough for your needs in 2026? Let me break down exactly what you get and where you will hit limits. The free plan gives you unlimited recordings, transcripts, and storage across Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams, no minute caps, no expiration dates. You also get AI generated summaries and action items, but here's the catch. They are limited to just the first 5 meetings each month. After 5 calls, you only get chronological recaps with raw transcripts, no smart insights. Free users can share meeting recaps manually, but recordings are private by default and Fathom branding remains on your outputs. Basic integrations with Slack and Zapier are included, but throttled compared to paid tiers. So, is the free plan enough for solo users with 5 or fewer important meetings per month? Yes, absolutely. You get unlimited recording and searchable transcripts forever. But for weekly recurring calls or team collaboration, you will hit that 5 summary limit fast. Paid plans start at $19 per month for premium, which unlocks unlimited AI summaries, action items, and removes branding. The free plan is best for testing or light use for regular meeting documentation. The paid version delivers real-time savings. And that is it. Free for light use, paid for serious volume. If you use Fathom, let me know how many meetings you have monthly in the comments. See you in the next one.